This is David Kavanaugh, back from my out-of-town trip, and having a look at the timing on my old 68 Spitfire MkIV. And what I'm seeing, I believe, is I'm pretty much top dead center there. There's the line on the case. I can bring the con rods up. Looks pretty good. And I don't know if you can see the timing marks, one there. Anyhow, they line up on the gears. Oh, I'm not aimed well. There you go. If I bring this so that the lines line up, they're pretty well lined up. Now we can see I'm a bit past top dead center. And anyway, just interesting to note, I guess. I'm taking everything apart, so when I put it back together, I'll make sure everything's all lined up. Let me see, I haven't tried to take this off yet. Yep, looks good. No shims. There's the bush. The gears look, the faces look really nice. I'll start unbolting some other things. Anyway, thought I'd have a look at that before I start tearing into things. Alright, see ya.